We've actually been successful with 7 applications for Keep Wales Tidy Local Places for Nature package, and we're really pleased to be doing a pollinator garden today. So we're just working alongside the support providers that support tenants in our properties to improve the outside space.
At this property we have 4 tenants, all adults with a learning disability, and First Choice Housing Association is a specialist housing provider, and the vast majority of what we do is provide accommodation for adults with a learning disability. We did a survey last year with our tenants and tried to understand what was important for them about their homes, and one of the key pieces of feedback that we had was outdoor spaces. So as a result, our new strategy is very much focusing on outdoor spaces and tenant wellbeing. I think that the pandemic has really highlighted the importance of home for people, and has really, lockdown really highlighted the importance of accessible and usable outdoor space.
I think it's absolutely fantastic. Like, they're really supportive throughout the application process, and whilst the first application can be a little bit more work, once you've done the first one you can almost replicate it. The quality of all the materials is amazing. The support from Keep Wales Tidy project officers has been great, and they've really encouraged me to carry on with applying for more. So they've been really generous, and we've really appreciated the support. We've had some great outcomes, some lovely photos and some really happy tenants.
The support from Keep Wales Tidy has been fantastic. They've got staff who come along, who support, who give guidance, can advise you what to plant, when to plant it, and I think it's an excellent opportunity that people should take up. I think it's absolutely essential for us. It's about promoting access to outdoor space for people with a disability. It's a really key part of our strategy, and if it was continued funding then that would be great and would really help us hit our target in our strategy.